everyone. My name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about computer network topology. What is network topology? First of all, it defines the structure of the network of how all the components we can say that nodes, links or devices in a computer network are interconnected to each other. There are two types of topology, that is physical topology and logical topology. We can also say it is a kind of arrangement of different elements. Network topology is the way where the devices are connected in a network. It defines that these components are connected and how the data is transferred between the network. Understanding about the different types of network topologies which can help in choosing the right design for a specific network. So, physical topology is the geometric representation of all the nodes in a computer network. There are total 6 types of network topology, which includes bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, star topology, mesh, and hybrid topology. Now we'll study in detail one by one. Let's start with bus topology. In the bus topology, this is the basic diagram. Bus topology is one of them, and all the devices in a bus topology network are linked together by a single cable. And this cable we call it as referred as bus. And the cable is known as backbone cable. The cable is also known as backbone cable. It also, like all the network devices, are simultaneously receive the same signal due to the shared communication medium. When a node wants to send a message over the network, it puts a message over the network. All the stations available in the network will receive the message whether it has been addressed or not. The basic definition is like bus topology carries the transmitted data through the cable because data reaches each node, and node checks the destination address, that is MAC or IP addresses, to determine if it is matches their addresses or not. What are the key features of the bus topology? An efficient bus architecture is established and each station is connected by a single backbone cable. There is also one more well-known access method for bus topology, that is CSMA, Carrier Sense Multiple Access. Let's see the advantages of bus topology. Low cost cable. In bus topology, nodes are directly connected to the cable without passing through a hub. Therefore, the initial cost of installation is low. Moderate data speeds. Coaxial or twisted pair cables are mainly used in bus-based networks that support up to 10 Mbps of speed. Familiar technology. It is a familiar technology as installation and troubleshooting techniques are well known, and hardware components are easily available. Limited failure. Very limited failure in one node will not have any effect on the other node. Disadvantages: extensive cabling, because it is quite similar. Bus topology is quite similar, simpler, but it requires a lot of cabling. Difficult troubleshooting, because it requires the specialized test equipment to determine that the test cable faults. If any fault occurs in the cable, then it would be disrupt the communication. single interference. If two nodes send the messages simultaneously, then the signals of both the nodes can collide with each other. Reconfiguration difficulty. Here it means that adding new devices to the network would show down to the network. Attenuation is, we can say that when the which is a loss of signal leads to the communication issues, repeaters are used to regenerate the signals. This is it for the video. We'll continue with our topologies in my next video.